So there was a Trump on Iran. The entire military command is gone. Many went to surrender. Many want to surrender. So Trump on Iran. We all heard about the bombing that is happening between Iran, Israel combined with US. So that is really what is giving the kind of gaps this morning in the forex market or in the financial market generally. So the leadership of the Iran, man was bombed inside his residence. Both his son, whether one of his son, grandson. So everyone is gone. So with that, with the war of Iran, Israel, and US, so that's what is causing. It happened yesterday, so we expect when the market opened this morning, yesterday night, around 11 p.m., that there will be a gap. So we expected that gap to happen on USD pair, gold, and the stock exchange. And as we predicted, just that those of us that hold trade really weak to the weekend, we're lucky that the thing gapped in our direction. So in this kind of thing, a lot of people will lose money with low trade during the weekend, and a lot of people will make money because we don't know the direction. So that the thing gapped. But for dollar, the fundamental good on dollar, and dollar is very strong now. So in all of that, I discovered that on TradingView, all dollar-related pair are seized. All dollar-related pair are seized on TradingView, general TradingView. So, but on the PT market TradingView, and since it's a brokerage platform, everything is working fine. So we'll continue to use this place. So let me break down what's happening. First and foremost, I'll break down gold. So we have gold open, and we have the market. We have the market jumped this morning, yesterday night around 12. So gold is currently trading in directions with the alignment with the uptrend that is going. So everything is on alignment. So what do we way forward on gold? What can we do on gold? This guy is seriously bullish. Like I said, that we look at this place is we have a liquidity that residing there. So and we have the higher place of liquidity. So this is the two places that gold is trading to. So all we need now is to look for what you can get a pullback. That would be good. So we can see now that gold came up. Now it has given us a kind of break of structure, right? So you will see a pullback. So a pullback, maybe to take out this liquidity low, so we can look for what gold. Don't jump enter now. We expect a pullback to happen. Wait for a pullback to happen, at least 50% of this entire move. Then we can now jump into gold. So we expect gold to be very, very bullish. We expect gold to be very good throughout this week. I tell you, we expect gold to be very bullish throughout this week. So pull back, on a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes, get an entry, then continue be on this buy side of gold. EURUSD, this one was a very fantastic movement. You know, like as I have been predicting that people have seen a lot of people try to buy Euro USD, and I said, this guy, I am not ready for this guy to buy. So, and I gave my reservations. Now, I said we have some liquidity on the road. So we have now this liquidity have been taken care. So the next liquidity that another one now is this liquidity. So I said until price take this liquidity on the road, then give a bullish evidence on 4 hours. That's where I will be convincing for to buy euro. So I'll be selling euro. I had a trade over the weekend, which I'm selling around there. Before the Friday, I think I was in a drawdown, but so good the market can see. Even as you know, this was my target because this low, there was an equal low that formed liquidity. So that way I could maintain profit. But because of the gaps that happened, so when I closed around 11 p.m., when I saw the gap, well, I know that when there's a gap like this, the market will go back again. So I just quickly cut my trade around there. And you can see the market go back. And before I know, if the gap is not even covered yet, now market has come down. So what's the way forward on Euro USD? So what shall we be looking at on Euro USD for this week? So we have 4 hours break of structure. So we have a 4 hours break of structure. So that high become what? Now we have a swing high. So we have, okay, let's use this place. So we have, that is our, now for Euro USD to bullish, there's a need for price to close above 1.18364. So that is the swing high. Until you see Euro USD trading above this high, we are not yet bullish. No matter what smaller time frame may give you. So for me, I will still be bearish Euro USD. So any pullback, be a pullback to continue looking for a sell, on Euro USD. Right. So that is my take on Euro USD. Very straightforward. So very straightforward. You don't need to complicate things, you know. Trading, you don't need to complicate things. Make it simple as it may be. So liquidity, I talk about liquidity that was built here. Guys, you need to understand where liquidity are in the market. If you don't know how to read liquidity, you are not going to be profiting because you'll be taking a kind of trade that will just be hitting stop losses. So learn more about liquidity. All the places of liquidity in the market. So when you understand it, you will know that, okay, I still believe that price will come to this social place due to what? Some about liquidity side. When price was bullish against me around there, I put this thing here. I know that I say there's liquidity here and there's equal low liquidity here. So and that gave me confidence to even leave my trade during the weekend. That's why I was in the drawdown. But with this, so way forward, we are looking for what? A pullback. So we have this gap now. So we have this gap. We have this gap on 1 hour now. So I would love to sell Euro USD from on that place. So that is where I would love to sell EURUSD from. Yes, around that 75 people level. So that is my take on EURUSD. We are still what? We are still bearish on the EURUSD. Now, GU is another thing that, another good pair that. Now, I tried to buy here, but it just put a small buy here, but the thing I hit stop loss now. Fine. So I will accept that. Now, all of us remember when price was still here, when I started to predict that when price came here and it was bouncing up, and I told people in the community that for me, I'm still seeing GU coming down. Yeah. When you check social media like TikTok, you see a lot of so-called Forex traders that they are just I call them Forex content creators. People begin to mark this place. People they mark this demand zone as where, in fact, a lot of people begin to buy. You can see it works. It's not that it did not work. It's a demand zone, break of structure, price into demand. A lot of people begin to buy here. And I came to this channel here, this session, I said, some of you can bear me witness that I'm not satisfied in this bullish. I will not buy GU. That the only way I want to buy GU is when price break this high, because this is very simple. This is the last high. So until we have a significant shift in market structure in a higher time frame, if you are looking at smaller, now we have external structure, we have internal structure. So as a trader, you must have the ability to read both external structure and external structure. Now, which one that is more superior? External structure. So if you are in a 4 hours time frame and you are bullish, before that trend will change to a bearish market, you have to see a shift in market structure or change of character in that 4 hours. Although when you go to 15 minutes, you will be see change of character, but those change of character in 15 minutes, they are what? Internal structure. So, and that's what happened here. 4 hours, although the major thing is what? Is break of structure. It's a bullish trend. Then I had some people begin to make emphasis that because we have this low, that this thing has changed to bearish 4 hours. I say no, this has not changed to bearish. Whatever we are seeing here is still playing out. It's still playing out on this single pole here. So we have that impulse correction until we see 4 hours break and close below this low before we can truly, let's say this guy continues selling now, and before when this 4 hour candle will close, if this candle close with body, that shows that we are what? This bullish trend has changed to a downtrend. Without that, we are still, now you can see what's playing out now. Price has come here, right? So I discount that I'm not going to buy here. Why? There are reasons. Number one is you can see I mark this place as a place of liquidity. This was no liquidity. How do you see price? Price came now, ladies and gentlemen, I can fully tell you now that on GU, all liquidity on this buy side has been fully settled. Now, what are we waiting for now? We are waiting for two things can happen here. Is whether this guy, if this momentum continues, is whether this guy close as what? Bearish. And that will give us an entirely what? Change of character. So when you look at that daily now, you can see if you have this guy close today bearish, meaning that this bullish has ended. So price will now become a bearish. Simple as that. So, but now, like I said, below this, I have a buy limit around there. So I was thinking that fine, maybe price will bounce because if they take liquidity, maybe we can see a bounce. But fortunately now, they hit stop loss and they take out this low. That shows that the impact of the war on dollar is very strong. So way forward, now this is not the area where you want to buy now. You have to calm down. So you can now go to what? So we are on 4 hours. If this 4-hour candle fail, maybe at the end of the day, this guy do not close pin bar. So you can come to 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes now, we are waiting for a change of character. So for this guy to turn to bullish. So if we are waiting for a change of character to bullish on 15 minutes, this is the last low that price created, right? This is the last high that we have. So meaning that we need to see if this continue buy to see price break, then this will come a buy. So, or better still, let's price give us, it has given us this low, right? Price has given us this low. Let's give us a lower low that will take out this low there. It cannot give us a change. So otherwise, until we see this type of formation in this place, please don't jump, don't press any buy button for now. Don't say because we are in demand, don't press any buy. So we are still bearish, and only for me now, what I will do, I will not buy, I will not sell for now because price is coming to a strong demand zone. So here become a swing guy now 4 hours. So for a proper change of character of 4 hours, I need this guy to change. So that will become a bullish direction. So GU now, GU, if you are on this sell, GU, congratulations. I think you will make a lot of money there. So GU has fully settled on liquidity. So now it's time to be patient and wait for the next action. The next action what GU will give to us, whether I continue or you want to resume up. Right. So that is GU for us. BTC. So this one is, I'm still bearish on BTC though. So we are still bearish on BTC. Although price is currently doing something, price is ranging. You can see price is ranging here. So we don't know which direction price will take us to. If you break down, then we continue. And if you break up, this will continue. So on a lower time frame now, let's go to lower time frame. So on lower time frame, we are still bearish. So I'm looking at if we can come back, to this low at least. Since price is failing, we can see price is failing to causing weakness. So maybe you can come back, trade back to this low. It will be good for BTC if you can come back to this low and see what will happen. So I'm looking at possibility for us to trade back to this low of BTC. That possibility is there because price is creating a weakness in terms of the buy. Try to buy, but can still creating weakness. So that is BTC for us. Right. Let me do one more. AUD USD. Okay. So AUDUSD, that's what's happening now. We are still looking forward a buy opportunity on AUDUSD. We have price break this low, that break that high, give us a break of structure from that high. We have price taking this low as a liquidity. So I will be very happy. Maybe I'm going to stay for long. Let's price come to this zone. Then that is where I would like to buy AUDUSD from. So that one is very, 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 very good. Price is creating a lot of liquidity around this low. So AUDUSD demand a lot of patience. We have a lot of way to go on AUDUSD. USD JPY. So the dollar yen price is trading up. First draw liquidity, which is target, and second draw liquidity. So how can someone get into this trade? 1 hour. So we have a break of structure here, 1 hour. So let's see if I return back to this demand. Then so look buying from this 1 hour demand to target that up. So your stop loss can come below that low. So these are okay. Before I go to other currency pair, USD card. Oh my God. Oh. Guys, I was looking at USD card this morning when I came to the office. I said, okay, now this one just happened now. Although it did not hit my entry, but this was a very good sell on USD card. It's a very good sell. We have a clear break of structure, swing low. Initially, it created this liquidity here, and that's why I put that blue bar. Price was here. Before you know, the price has come, take out liquidity above there and jump. So any pullback, USD card is good for a sell, but where it is now, it has gone. I do not see it to have been a place to jump enter this sell here. So if you can come back, then we can look for. But I doubt if this guy will come back to that zone again. So that is it. USD chef. Okay. So this one is another good one that you can get a trade. USD chef. We have a break. Now, wow, this thing moves fast. It moves so fast. So look for entry. If this guy maybe come back again, you can look for a sell. So so watch out for USD chef. If you can go back again, at least to this place, look for a sell and put your stop loss above the swing high. So, ladies and gentlemen,